So, being in 2021, you guys want to know what coins to invest in? Well, there's so many coins out there that, shoot, it's hard sometimes to choose the right ones. But, shoot, I got a couple for you guys that are personally my favorite. And, yeah, probably about three to five coins that, personally I want to invest in. One of them, obviously Bitcoin. Bitcoin is obviously the main coin that you want to invest in. Ethereum on it, because honestly, you guys can't ignore the the top 5 to 10 coins. You guys need that in your crypto portfolio. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, honestly, I feel like Cardano, Cardano, which is an Ethereum competitor, obviously. So you can invest in Cardano. You're not turning your back on Ethereum. There's enough room and space for other smart contracts as well. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, VeChain is a good one. Solana, and shoot, one more that honestly, EOS is another Ethereum competitor. You can either do EOS or XRP, and obviously everything's down right now, but that's just a good buying opportunity, guys. So yeah, so Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, what is it, EOS, and XRP. Honestly, those are some coins that honestly, personally, I would invest in. Like I said, you guys can't ignore the top 5 to 10. You got to have that in your portfolio, and obviously other altcoins, small cap coins too. But yeah, guys, those are my top coins to invest in 2021.